गुडरुचिषां विदधतं पटाम्बरं च श्रियां वृन्दारण्यविलासिनो हृदि लसत्दामाभिरामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशितज्वलभुजं ध्यायेमदामोदरम् नीलाचलनिवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्रसुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। By the mercy of Srila Gurudev and all Vaishnavas and all our Parampara Acharyas, we are able to sit in this place, which place was glorified by Brahma, Mahadev, Uddhav and many Vaishnavas Acharyas we can find in Srimad Bhagavatam and other scriptures. The topmost, most secret and the transcendental pastimes of the Supreme Lord, He once in this place Bansivata, Sevakunja, Niduvana, and here is all Yamuna and others. He invites to whole world and He pleased to whole universe by His flute sound. By His flute sound. Bansivata tatasthita Sriman Rasarasarambi Bansivata tatasthita Karshana Venu Sunai. By His flute sound, He attracted all souls, not only Vrindavan, whole creatures, living creatures and non-living, also in heavenly planet. Many demigods, Brahma came with Savitri and Gayatri, Narayana came with Lakshmi, Shiva also came with Parvati, Indra came with Sachi. All they came when the Supreme Lord, He played His flute. That day, in Purnima day before yesterday, we discussed little the glories of this autumn season and this Rasa dance, Rasa Leela. Before we continue to discuss what is the science and the truth of this Rasa Leela performed by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, with his close associates, Parsadas, and consorts, his pleasure-potency, goddess Radharani, and other Sakhis. What was necessary to come here and perform this Leela? This is actually according scriptures, according moral law, it is unlaw, and this is unsocial, and also you can say criminal, sinful. This is not acceptable by scripture, religion, any culture, anything. To play with gopis, others' wife, married, they have children also, unmarried. So what was necessary to the Supreme Personality of Godhead to perform this? Another point is, the Supreme Lord, what He is doing, that is only by His love and mercy, compassion. Never He do any immoral activities, never do any irreligious, and that is also example to others, example for others. Mainly in our human life, the Supreme Lord has given us control power. Control power. How to control our senses, what to see, what to not see, what to hear, what to not hear, what to speak, what to not speak, what to eat, what to not eat, where to go, where to not go, what to give, what to take. Everything have control. How to control? It is taught by mother and father from the very beginning of our life, from birth. What to do, what to not do, what to speak, what to not speak, how to speak, everything. Mother, father, family. Then we also go for more knowledge to how to utilize this physical, any paraphernalia, any object, everywhere needs some control, and that is coming by teaching, by culture. So the ultimate goal of human life is to free from the soul from this fearful and dangerous, sufferable, temporary, movable many disease, many things. In this condition, how to free the soul? That is the topmost benefit. If we compare with others, where from we came, we have to go there. Our birthplace is not here. Our birthplace is in the spiritual world. Golok, Vaikuntha. Originally we created from there, not here. We came to father's body, then we went to mother's body, then we come with this body. We know this thing. How to we came to father's body? We have no any information. We have to go to read Bhagavatam. Otherwise you will never get any information in this world. Because it is coming from the Supreme Lord. He is Creator. He spoke this. Super soul, He spoke this. We have to come to Him. Otherwise never they can understand our real identity. So, in human life, how they free from this material world, most powerful is the lust, attraction of male and female. That is the most powerful. And all problems come from there. To mind, to senses, also in society, and everything comes. All problems comes. And continue their life. After death, again take a birth. In Bhagavatam told, female became male, male became female. Again they exchange their body. And they never satisfy and never free. Their mind never come out from there. Even demigods like Brahma and others also say. That is the central point, this powerful point. This is the reason the Supreme Lord performed this pastime. Main. In Sridhar Swami, when Krishna's Rasa Leela started, in his commentary, he told, Brahmadi Jaya Sangruda Kandarpa Darpa Darpaha. Kandarpa is Cupid, who is the controller of this lust energy. He became more proud. No one conquered to him. Everyone feared to him. Everyone in his control. Then how to come out from this? If they cannot come out from this, they cannot free their soul. They cannot free their mind. So, to defeat to the demigods, Kandarpa. Kandarpa is also God. That is specially Krishna's energy. Madana, his name is Madan. Madan, Madayati iti Madan. Madayati. like mother means liquor, wine. If you drink, you lose your consciousness, your intelligence, and you will think another things. Your consciousness go another level, another feeling. Out of your senses and intelligence feelings, then maybe you fell down in the road, in the drain somewhere, but you are thinking, I am flying in space. This is power of these drugs and alcohol. So, when it affected to mind, they also lost their consciousness control. Therefore, his name is Madan. And that energy used to continue this population, progeny. So, how to free from here? All rule, regulations, religions, culture, everything is in Vedic also. All ashrams, varnashramas, that is related to only this. So, Krishna performed this Leela, who here, who explain, and that time who were present, they free from all these kind of their sensual feelings, and they controlled by Yogeshwareswari Krishna jata etad vimuchyate. Yogeshwareswara is given Sukadeva Goswami's name. He called him to Krishna Yogeshwareswara. Yoga in Bhagavad Gita, he is spoken Yogeshwara. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna Jatra Partha Dhanurjaya Tatra Sri Vijaya Bhuti Riti Mama. Sri Vijaya Bhuti Mama. They told Yogeshwara. All yogas, he is the master. Everything comes from him. Yoga is a one type of controlling power. Controlling mind. Basically, central is mind. Sarve mano nigrahanta yogasya param. This the ultimate benefit of yoga is how to control mind and concentrate to the Paramatma, super soul. So many, without control, no one can do anything in this world. If someone doing something, means he already have yoga. Yoga means control the mind. If you control the mind, means control also senses. So, here told Yogeshwareswara Krishna. He is Yogeshwaranang Ishwara Yogeshwareswara. Yogeshwara means also Lord Shiva Yogeshwara. His name also Yogeshwara. And many rishis, Narada, Sanaka, Sanandana, and many rishis also they say can be Yogeshwara. But here told Yogeshwareshwari. Yogeshwaranang Ishwara. He is the master of all Yogeshwaras. So in Rasalila, when he decided to perform, by his internal potency Yoga Maya, he changed all these nature. from the air, from the earth, from the trees or birds or animals or anything, this whole he changed by his Yogamaya potency, internal potency. No place of this Cupid lost. Then he played his flute. You see, in Bhagavatam, Bhagavan apita ratri saradut pulla mallika vikyarantung manaschakri yogamaya masrita upasrita. First verse in Bhagavatam. Bhagavan api, the Supreme Lord Bhagavan, Bhagavan api taratri, in that night, this full moon night, this autumn season, full moon day, night, Yogamaya Mupasrita, by his Yogamaya, his internal potency, energy, he wanted to enjoy, to distribute his Swarupa Shakti, internal potency. He wanted to distribute this, to taste others, how one can love, dance, sing with these girls and boys, with all these Sringara Lila, but without lust. Impossible for anyone. So he showed this love, real love, pure love. Even this is inconceivable for the Brahma and the Shiva and all the yogis. What about ordinary living beings? So then he started his flute, and moon appeared. No, not this moon. His Yogamaya, he created this moon. Tadodu raja kakubha kareri mukham pratyang vilumpanam karunena santameyi sacharsanina udugad sucho priya iva dirga darshana. Second verse. Then the moon appeared, his different rays. Just wholly the nature changed. Many of our Goswamis and Bhagavata, the commentaries, they explained this one word so beautiful, with full of rasas and bhavas. They explained one word. Tadodu Raja, he told, after Yogamaya, when he created, then appeared the moon. Tadodu Kakubha Kareri Mukham. Whole nature changed, come to the real, the love of his internal potency. Pratyang vilumpana runena charsanina, and everywhere the soul and the super soul, completely spiritualized, then they created separation from the Priya Priyayam, lover and beloved. It is really, it's with this Krishna, with this Jiva, automatically, spontaneously, it is attracted with them to meet. Regarding this topic, Prahlada Maharaj told, my soul and mind is automatically attracted like a magnetic stone to iron. He told this. There are no, where from you learn this? Who told you? Who taught you? You say this. Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu. These gurus, they asked, no? He told, nobody taught me. I don't meditate and perform this pranayama or yoga or some yoga, ashtanga process, nothing. Automatically my heart is attracted like a stone, the iron to the magnetic stone. He told, because it is natural. And this Maya is covered. The soul cannot attract. If iron is covered by some dust, some rust, then magnetic cannot attract. So the soul have the natural, these symptoms, these qualities, but it is covered by these three moods of nature, this ego, ahankara, all these. So he lost his own character. Many discussions now going on among our devotees. Oh, in the jiva have there, this rasas is there or not? It come from sadhu sangara, eat this. Many things they discuss. Everything is inside there. In sadhu sangha, again it come out. But everything is there. If it's not there, who can get? How they can get? See, it comes from the Supreme Lord. When He created, that time already Supreme Lord, His internal potential also He has given, she has given. So everything is there. By sadhu sangha, it cleansed by practice. So the Supreme Lord, He performed these pastimes, Leela. If whoever, you see, that time all demigods with their goddess, they all are covered this space to see this. This is open panel, not covered with anything, open. And they were looking with their forehead, with 5 head, with all 4 eyes, 8 eyes of Brahma and 10 eyes of Lord Shiva, and with their internal vision they are looking what is going on. But they are never affected by any kind of lust energy. Who are practical, present there, nor the gopis who came, they have not affected by this also. They are dancing, doing dancing, touching, moving, everything they do. But spiritual, this is beyond our consciousness to think what about it. So, if someone qualified go to through study under guidance of a qualified, pure Vaishnava, they also cure their heart. This is the glories of the Rasa Leela, the Supreme Lord told. So we have discussed that day little. Today also we discussed a little. Now will be Arati. So everyone who are here, who have nothing to do in this world, they can go to through a guidance of a pure devotees to thoroughly to know the science. Tikas without a commentary of our acharyas, no one can able to enter there. Need time, steady mind, and be conscious, be pure, be humble, submissiveness, and necessary to know what is this subject. These all qualities are necessary. Otherwise they cannot, with unsteady mind, like a newspaper or something technically I can know this, maybe I can go to speak something to someone, they cannot understand these things. Therefore these qualities are necessary to enter there. Mancha kalpataru kripa sindhuvayavach patitanang pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo Gaur Premanandi Hari